Okay, moving on to question 6. 6a, we have 5.3 and 2 over 5. So we need to understand that this dot means to times. So 5 is the same as 5 over 1. I can put anything over 1, it will still be itself. So this will be 5 over 1 times. And then I can change 3 and 2 over 5 into a mixed fraction. So this will just be 3 whole times 5 little pieces in each whole plus 2 over 5. So we get 5 over 1 times 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now we want to simplify before we multiply. I can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. These two are exactly the same. And I end up with 17 over 1. We just multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So anything over 1 is just itself. So my final answer is 17. 6b. 8 times 5 and 1 over 4. Same idea, 8 is the same as 8 over 1. We have 5 whole, each whole is 4 little pieces, plus 1 remaining pieces over the same denominator 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. And again, we want to simplify before we multiply. Divide this by 4 to get 1, divide this by 4 to get 2. So finally, we get 2 times 21 is 42, over 1 times 1 is 1. And again, anything divided by 1 will just be itself. So the answer is 42. 6c, 9.3 and 2/3. Same as 9 over 1 times 3 plus 2 over 3. So we have 9 over 1 times 11 over 3. Simplify before we multiply. Divides by 3 to get 1, divides by 3 to get 3. We get 33 over 1, which is 33. 6d, 2/3 times 2 and 2 over 5. This is 2/3 times 2 times 5 plus 2 over 5, just changing it into an improper fraction. 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. We simplify before we multiply, divide this by 3 to get 1, divide this by 3 to get 4. 4 times 2 is 8, we get 8 over 5. I still need to change it back into a mixed fraction. I can do a long division. 5 goes into 8 one time, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So this becomes 1 and 3 over 5. And that would be the answer, 1 and 3 over 5 for 6d. 6e, we have 2 over 7, dot 8 and 3 over 4. So 2 over 7 times 8 times 4 plus 3 over 4. We have 2 over 7 times 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. We can divide this by 7 to get 1, divide this by 7 to get 5. Divide this by 2 to get 1, divide this by 2 to get 2. We get 5 over 2. And 5 over 2, I can do a long division to change it back into a mixed fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So my final answer is 2 and 1/2. 2 and 1/2 is the final answer. 6f, 4 over 5 times 8 and 1/3. We have 4 over 5 times 8 times 3 plus 1 over 3, just changing it into improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. We can simplify. Divide this by 5 to get 1. Divide this by 5 to get 5. So we get 4 times 5 is 20. Over 1 times 3 is 3. And then we do a long division. 3 times 6 is 18. We get a remainder of 2. So our answer is 6 and 2 over 3. And then 6G. We have 6 and 2/3 times 1 and 4/5. We need to change it into mixed fraction. 6 times 3 plus 2 over 3. The dot means times. 1 times 5 plus 4 over 5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. We can divide this by 5 to get 1, divide this by 5 to get 4, divide this by 3 to get 1, divide this by 3 to get 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 1 is 1. So our final answer will just be 12. And then H, we have 6 and 1 over 8 times 9 and 1 over 3. This will be 4 times 8 plus 1 over 8 times 9 times 3 plus 1 over 3. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. We can divide this by 3 to get 1. 33 divided by 3 is 11. Divide 8 by 4 to get 2. Divide 28 by 4 to get 7. 11 times 7 is 77. 2 times 1 is 2. And now we can divide this. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, move down the next number. 2 times 8 is 16. And we have a remainder of 1. So this will be 38 and 1 over 2. 38 and 1 over 2 would be the answer for H. 6I. 3 and 5 over 7 times 2 and 3 over 5. So change them into mixed fraction. 3 times 7 plus 5 over 7 times 2 times 5 plus 3 over 5. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. There's nothing to simplify here, so I will just multiply them. Yeah. So we are going to have 26 times 13 for the numerator. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Add a 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. This will be 13. So 338 over 7 times 5 is 35. And now I would just times them. I'm thinking 9 will work. Because 35 times 10 is 350. That's why I think 9 will work. 9 times 5 is 45. 45. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. And then we subtract them. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 9 and 23 over 35. And 6J is the next one. 4 and 5 over 19 times 40 and 1 over 9. So this will be 4 whole times 19 plus 5 over 19 times 40 times 9 plus 1 over 9. So we have 19 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. And then 76 plus 5 will give us 81. So 81 over 19 times 40 times 9 is 360, plus 1 is 361 over 9. I can divide this by 9 to get 1, divide this by 9 to get 9. So I'm thinking maybe 361 is divisible by 19. 19 times 2 is 38, so just one time. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. Move down the next number. Maybe 9 times 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 8 is 17. Yeah, it is simple. It is divisible. Divide 19 by 19 to get 1. Divide 361 by 19 to get 19. So our final answer is just 19 times 9, which is 171 over 1. And that would be the answer. 171, just 171. Anything over 1 is itself. Okay, so I will see you in the next video for the remaining question in question 6.